Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be sharing with you how I give my rugs in my tiny house a good once over with this bad boy. It's called a lint rolled. I bought this thing on Facebook and I saw their video where they were cleaning up a bunch of cat hair, and this tool really works. So because I have 3 cats in such a small space, in this video I'm just going to show you how this thing works. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description below, but I did get it on an ad on Facebook. Before getting into using this, because this is actually going to be what pulls up most of the hair, I'm going to be using my vacuum cleaner first to do the stairs as well as the kitchen rug and all the other rugs and carpets in the house, and then we're going to be doing this as a second step. So I'm going to put that to the side and I'm going to do the stairs first. Time to use this bad boy. Now again, I'm going to be starting on the stairs and I am going to be pulling up as much extra cat hair that the vacuum cleaner did not get up. That's why this thing is so amazing. Another Facebook ad, of course, but this one actually really worked, and the video that they showed tons of hair coming up. I've basically fallen in love with this thing. So all of this came up on my first stair. Not too much on the stairs, surprisingly, but then again, I have been doing this basically weekly, every 2 weeks, so the more hair we get up each time, it's probably going to be easier each time you do it. Next thing we're going to be working on is the cat's bed. It's not a carpet or a rug, but it does collect tons of hair because they lay here all the time. This one collects a lot as well. So this collected a lot more, but I don't vacuum this every day, so that's why it probably has more. The next thing I'm going to be doing is the kitchen rug. I'm going to be vacuuming it with this at first, and then we're going to use that lint roller. Now the kitchen rug is a main area of walking on, so that's why it collects a lot of hair, even though I do vacuum daily. I am done with the kitchen rug, and on the kitchen rug alone was all of this extra hair that the vacuum did not clean up. So there is a lot of hidden hair in your house if you have animals. So because the kitchen rug is the main area of traffic in my tiny house, that's why it gathers up all of this hair. When I first got this lint roller, I used to do it every 2 or 3 weeks, but again, seeing as I've got 3 cats, I might as well do it every week. Now we're gonna do the bathroom rugs. This is a bit of a different material, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Got a good amount. Makes the carpet look fresh and brand new. This is from both of the bathroom rugs. It's quite a lot. Now this rug doesn't look like a lot is coming up. It's kind of hard to do with this rug material. See how I'm like snagging it? So I think we'll just stick to the vacuum cleaner with this rug. Not much is coming up. Same with the cat loft rug. The material kind of doesn't work well with this lint roller. We did the stairs, we did the bathroom rugs, and we did the kitchen rug, and this is how much hair has accumulated even after vacuuming. Take note on the types of rugs that I was using this with and which ones worked and which ones didn't. So if you guys are getting a tiny house, maybe that would help you decide on what types of rug and carpets to get, especially if you have animals, because those rugs and carpets accumulate all of that hair daily. You're living in a smaller space, so you gotta clean more. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Is going to accumulate in your house that much quicker. This week I'm gonna woo! Hold on, let me start over. Hey guys, that much more quickly. Don't put any of this mess up stuff. Main entrance, or like a main, what is the word? I don't know. More quicklier?